Hi, class. I just wanted to make a request when doing discussion question posts. If we would go into the reply and hit delete after highlighting everything, then we wouldn't have as much to scroll through and to read through. So what I'm referring to is that if if Helen is replying to Shara, then after going into her post, she would hit reply and then place our cursor there in the reply box, hit Control A, that will highlight everything, and then hit, as you can see, it's highlighting everything below, and then you hit delete, and then this just leaves the box to make your post in, so you don't have any excess information. So if you do that, then all you have is your post and response to that person's posting. Okay? So if you go into reply and then you hit Control A, that will highlight everything below what you're going to type. Then you hit delete, and then you would type start your message, and then that way you only have that particular posting to read through. So I hope that makes sense. It'll just help cut down on the amount of information to scroll through, and that way that'll be easier to read as well. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much.